Today I'm in the 1500 block of North Tallman. That's Tallman and North Avenue. On North Avenue between Western and California, closer to California. It's a very large living room. This is a 1-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom apartment. The building's just a couple of years old. See, it's got track lighting everywhere. Some great finishes. The living room here. Back over there on the far left is the front door. There's a coat closet as you walk in. You can see it's a nice breakfast bar. Stone countertops. There's electricity out on the breakfast bar. Really large 3-door French refrigerator. Stainless steel pulls on the cabinets. They've got like a wood grain finish. Very nice and modern looking, I think. Here's looking back at the living room. That living room on the far side is just a full wall of windows. Have the blinds pulled just because it makes it tougher on the camera. So you've got stone backsplash, over the stove microwave, really big, deep stainless steel sink and a dishwasher. Going down the hallway, you've got your laundry room, your stackable washer and dryer. To the left of that is a closet for linens and towels. This is your half bathroom. The ceilings are taller than normal, so it gives you a good feel of space here. Stone countertops here. These cabinets match the ones in the kitchen as well as this other bathroom. Walking back out, another picture of the other shot of the living room. Here's the bedroom, extremely large. Again, you have track lighting in here. Great light. Here's the bathroom en suite with this bedroom. It's got stone countertops, double vanity sink, big step-in, walk-in shower. Again, you've got the higher ceilings, makes it feel a lot more spacious. You have a really big walk-in closet. It's organized. You can see the double rods there, the single rod on the other side. Built-in shelves. From here we'll walk out to the balcony. It's a large balcony. The balcony's just about the width of the living room. There's lights and electricity out here. This is a western view. Building's just a couple of years old. Garage parking is available. Give me a call.